Merrily, barely, only, and just. These four little words can really trip people up. Let me explain each one clearly. Merrily is a formal way to say only or simply. For example, I was not being rude. I merely asked a question. Barely means almost not or only just. For example, he barely made it on time, or she was so tired she could barely stand. Only means something is limited or restricted. For example, I only have £5, or she's only 12 years old. Just is very flexible. It can mean recently, exactly, only, or simply. For example, I've just arrived. That is just what I needed. He's just a kid. Here is a quick tip. Only and just often overlap. Merrily is more formal and barely is more negative or minimal. Try writing one sentence with each and I'll check them for you.